Now in question number 36, it is given that 5 to the power 3x is equals to 125. So what I have done, I have converted this 125 as 5 to the power 3. So 5 to the power 3x is equals to 5 to the power 3. As base are same, I have compared the exponents. So it will become 3x is equals to 3. So x will be equals to 1. In same manner, 10 to the power y is equals to 0.001. 0.001 can be written as 1 upon 10 to the power 3. So I will first of all make it convert it into 10. So it will become 10 to the power y is equals to 10 to the power minus 3. So y is equals to your minus 3. So question number 37, it is being given to you 9 to the power n into 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power n minus 27 to the power n. So first of all, I have reduced all the bigger values in terms of 3. Say 9n means 3 to the power 2n plus 2. I have added the values plus n, and here minus 3 to the power, it will become 3n. Denominator as it is copied down. Now after calculation, what I got, 3 to the power 3n plus 2 minus 3 to the power 3n upon 3 to the power 3m minus 2 to the power 3. Here it is being given that 1 upon 27. So I have converted it into 1 upon 3 to the power 3 or 3 to the power minus 3. Now I have taken 3 to the power 3n common. So obvious thing that 3 to the power 2 will left over. So 3 to the power 2, and here you will get 1. So 3 to the power 2 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8, and 2 to the power 3 is also 8. So 8 will cancelled out. So I will be having now 3 to the power 3n and 3 to the power 3m. So I have shifted the value of this 3m to the numerator. So I got 3 to the power 3n minus 3m equals to 3 to the power 3 minus 3. So in this case, now I have compared the coefficients, exponents. So 3 is being cancelled out. So I got n minus m equals to minus 1, or n plus 1 is equals to m, or m is equals to n plus 1. In question number 38, it is given 3 to the power 4x is equals to 81 to the power minus 1. So again I have converted 81 into 3 to the power minus 4. So again comparing the exponents, 4x is equals to minus 4. So x is equals to minus 1. Here it is given that 10 to the power 1 upon y is equals to 0.0001. So I can write this value as 1 upon 10 to the power 4. So here I am having 10 to the power 1 upon y is equals to 10 to the power minus 4. Again I have compared the base. So I got 1 upon y is equals to minus 4. Take the reciprocal, you will get y is equals to minus 1 upon 4. Now you have to find the value of 2 to the power minus x into 16 to the power y. So you know that the value of x is minus 1. So minus minus will cancel out. You will get 2 to the power 1. You have just now calculated y as minus 1 upon 4. So 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 into minus 1 upon 4. 4 cancelled out. So you will be having 2 to the power 1 into 2 to the power minus 1. So this will become 2 into 1 by 2, or you can say 1. In question number 39, it is given that 3 to the power x plus 1 is equals to 9 to the power x minus 2. So what I have done, 3 to the power x plus 1 is equals to 3 to the power, I have converted this 9 into 3 square. So I have multiplied by that 2 to x and as well as minus 2. So I got 2x minus 4. So again I will compare the exponents. So what I got, x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 4. So just shift this one here and minus 4 here. So you will get 5 is equals to x. Now you have to find the value of 2 to the power 1 plus x. Replace the value of x here. You will get 2 to the power 6. That is equals to 64 is your answer. Now 40 part 1, 3 bracket within bracket 2 to the power x plus 1 minus 2 to the power plus 2 plus 5 is equals to 0. Let us take 2 to the power x as a. So this will become 3 bracket में 3a plus 1 bracket close minus this 2 to the power x will become your a, and 2 to the power 2 will become 4a. So this will become minus 4a plus 5. Just multiply 3 by a plus 1. You got the equation, and by this calculation you can easily calculate the value of a as 8. Now bring that 8 in front of 2 to the power x. So 2 to the power x will become 2 to the power 3. Comparing the exponent, we got the value of x is equals to 3. Second part is your 3 to the power x equals to 9 into 3 to the power y. 8 into 2 to the power y is equals to 4 to the power x. So first of all, what I have done, I have converted this 9 as 3 to the power 2, and just comparing the coefficient, what I got, x is equals to 2 plus y. So this will become my first equation. So this is my first equation, and again here I have converted 8 as 2 to the power 3 minus 2y is equals to 2 to the power 2x. I have converted this 4 into 2 square. Again I have just comparing the exponent. I got 3 plus y is equals to 2x. So I can write 2x minus y is equals to 3. Subtracting, change the sign of the values. So a y will cancelled out. You will be having minus x is equals to minus 1. So x is equals to 1. Put the value of x in equation number 1. So I got 1 minus y is equals to 2. So minus y is equals to 1. So y is equals to minus 1 is your answer. Previous class I have explained question number 33. There was one mistake which I have made. Mistake was, see the sum. I have done multiplication. I got this value minus 21, 42. Here it should be minus 25. I by mistake written 25. So due to which the answer was wrong. And in place of minus 46, you will be getting 4, because minus 25 will go up. It will become plus 25. Plus 25 minus 21 will give you 4. So it will become, so x will become 4 and y will become 2. So in place of this 46, take what you will take? You will take 4. So x plus y will become 4 plus 2, that is equals to 6. So 6 is your correct answer.